Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today and checking out this final test video of Edwards Breckwell brand pellet stove controller. As you can see, this is an older analog model. It does have a fuse located between the two switches here on the circuit board side. Edwards sent me this one because he was having some auger drive problems. The auger was not feeding pellets into the fire pit. Edward confirmed for me that he could go into automatic mode by pressing the auger key, and that would cause the green light up here to come on, which is an indication that his stove's exhaust fan is working and the exhaust switch is correct. He also noted that the little green LED above the word pellet and on the circuit board on the backside, he could see that come on when he was in automatic mode. So that means that the automatic drive circuit is working. He also noted to me in his comments that the fuse was good. So with that, I suggested that most probably he had a failed solid state relay for the auger, and he sent me his controller for repairs. So to get to all that, Edward did watch the 2 or 3 videos that I have online to help him do some troubleshooting and diagnose the problem before sending it to me. So here we are. I have it connected to my test unit. It is powered off. The tester is on, but the controller is off. When I turn it on, I expect a couple of indicators to come on. One is the combustion fan indicator marked in blue, and one is the convection fan or the room fan marked in red. Those two will come on because of the way that I've wired my tester, and I made sure that I bypass some of the sensors that I don't have, but your stoves will. So let me go ahead and turn that on, and there we are. We see the 2 lights come on, the combustion fan and the convection or room fan. I'll go to high fan mode over here in manual mode, and we'll see the intensity of the light here go bright. So with that brightness, that means that the controller is driving more voltage, more current to the motor, and will make the motor run faster. The other thing I can check right here is also related to convection fan, and as I rotate the knob here, low B, C, D, E, and max, we see that the intensity of the light for the convection fan gets brighter. That indicates as well that the motor should be running faster if it was on. What the Breckwell controllers all have in common is that positions D, E, and max are all the same. So you'll notice the intensity does not change as I go to E or max. D, E, or max, the intensity stays the same. C, B, and low, you see the intensity change. So that's hardwired into the controller, and it will not change. The final thing I can do here while in manual mode is press the manual feed button here, and that will cause the auger to drive. That's a momentary switch. Push, release, push, release, push, release, and you see the light come on. That means that the auger motor would be driving. Alright, so I'm ready to go into automatic mode. To do that, I press the auger button, press and release, and that will cause the green light up here to come on. As you see, it's on. So we are now in automatic mode, and a 30-second timer has started. While that timer is counting down, the auger is not driving, and we see that the little light on the back here behind the faceplate just above the word pellet is not on. So as we wait for that to happen, we'll see the first cycle of it happening, and there it is. We can see the green LED come on, and we saw the auger drive light. So we are in low mode, so right now there's a long duration between the on cycle periods and a short on time, so the light does not stay on for very long, so it does not drive a lot of pellets in. So as I rotate to the max position, I'm in max now, that will cause the duration to be on longer. You'll notice that the light will stay on longer. See that? And it goes off, it'll be off for a shorter period of time. Let's wait for it to come back on one more cycle. There it is. It's on for a longer duration. So there it is. Everything on this controller is now fully functional. I want to thank you, Edward, for sending me this controller for repairs. I appreciate it very much. For all you Breckwell stove owners out there, if you have a controller similar to this, might have a different look, different orientation, but it basically has a 2 on-off switches, an auger automatic mode button, and some indicator lights. If you're having problems with yours, there's 3 videos online that I suggest you check out. They're all on my channel. One of them is to help you determine why this light does not come on, or if this light is not on, what to do about it, or how to troubleshoot it. The second item is if you have a bad fuse that's located behind the faceplate here. Some controllers may not have it. That will help determine if you have some auger drive problems, or if your controller is bad, or if you have a bad fuse. And the third video is to determine if you have a bad 110 degrees F, 40 degrees C switch on your stove. That switch is used to control the auger itself. So if you're in automatic mode and you're not driving pellets, you need to look at that switch. So once again, I want to thank everybody for watching this. I hope that you'll take the time to give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. And once again, Edward, thank you very much for sending me this controller. I appreciate it very much. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.